1352 Zulu weather, wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 11, dew point 4, altimeter 3017. Have runway 27 approach in use, landing and departing runway 27. VFR departures advise ground control your direction of flight. Notice to airmen, runway 1836 closed, taxiway Charlie closed. North of runway 9027 and south taxiway Papa. Runway 33, rails out of service. Runway 33, runway threshold lights out of service. Advise on contact, give information, Juliet.
Howdy everybody, just got back from picking the plane up at TAS the other day. It's a beautiful day here at Aurora and I had a free morning, so I'm going to do another shakedown flight just to test everything out before our long flight down to Lakeland to go to Sun and Fun with Jaime and I. So I'm going to taxi out now, we'll do a quick run up and we'll be right back. Tower, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, holding short 27, ready to go.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora Tower, straight out towards the west approved, runway 27, clear for takeoff, wind calm.
Westbound departure approved, 27, clear for takeoff, 1 BC.
Mooney 1 Kilo Tango, this is the advisor of the Twin Cessna, westbound now taking the runway.
Alright, for 1 Kilo Tango, we'll watch 1.
Alrighty, fuel pumps are on low, throttle's coming up 1700. Mixture's going rich. There's the brakes. Full power, making full power. Fuel flow looks good, airspeed's alive, 80, 90, rotate. Brakes.
And Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, as you head west, the advisor is moving about 3 miles west-northwest of the field, inbound to the right, downwind runway 27 at 1,700 indicated.
1 Bravo Charlie will be looking.
3 miles to 1 Romeo Alpha, no need for the mid-roll to report, runway 27, you're clear to land, wind calm.
Clear to land, 27, 1 Romeo Alpha. Traffic flight for 1 Kilo Tango.
91 Kilo Tango, roger, thank you.
It's a little hazy right here, so we're going to go up to 6,500. Test some stuff out. Rockford approach, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, about 10 miles south of the cab with a request.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Rockford approach, Delta 3016, stay in tension.
3016, just one flight following, we're just doing a test flight. We'll be staying in this area around 6,500. We're through 5.5 now, westbound.
Number 1 Bravo Charlie, Roger, squawk 4227.
4227, 1 BC.
Number 1 Bravo Charlie, radar contact 8 miles west of Big Cow.
BC. Easy down low, y'all. Alrighty, we have arrived. 6,500. Set up cruise. Let's see what she gives us. Well, guys, we definitely picked up some airspeed with the flight rigging. At this point, I'd say probably about 5 knots based on temperatures, altitudes. We're excited about that. Let's let the autopilot fly for a bit so I can test out a few other things. Oh, I didn't bring my camera. Well, you guys won't be able to see the boots, but we're gonna level out and
Number 1 Bravo Charlie, there is a Cessna 182 about 7 miles north of Rochelle, southwestbound at 6,500.
1 Bravo Charlie searching. The boots all popped good. Alrighty, let's check out the alcohol windshield now. So these little whiskers, which I get asked about regularly, are spray bars. They put alcohol in the windshield, so let's see how that does. Now we're testing the heat. So I turned the cabin air open, the defrost open, flipped the heat switch to heat. and I got the temp control all the way up, so she's going to get hot if she's working appropriately, which that was part of my annual squawk list. It wasn't working well before. Oh yeah, yes. So the heat's working good, the boots are working good, the vacuum pumps are working good, the alternators are doing good, so the airplane flies great. Flight controls have been rigged perfectly. A lot of my squawks, the things they found, which you guys have seen in the video. So 2 thumbs up, this has been a great test flight here. And it's just nice to do an additional test flight before load up with people and head to the other side of the country. So that was kind of the idea, just a quick test flight, y'all. Unfortunately, I left my camera back so I could show you guys what all the different things I'm looking at, but you guys have seen most of it before. Trying to think of what else to test. I think we'll just go back and do some takeoff and landings. Tower Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is 20 miles to the northwest with Juliet inbound for landing.
Cessna 9038, fly heading 330, contact Chicago departure.
330, contact departure 938.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora Tower, end of the right downwind, runway 27, report 4 miles northwest.
Right downwind 27, we'll report 4 northwest, 1 BC.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles opposite direction, altitude case 2,600 decathlon.
1 Bravo Charlie searching. And 1 Bravo Charlie is just going to turn right to the south till we get around them.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, roger. And they're 12 o'clock and about 3 miles now, 2,600 indicated northwest bound.
Yep, no Joey, 1 Bravo Charlie is rolling out on a 180 heading.
Gap on 68 Golf, make a right turn about...
Altitude 1,000 to go.
To the north, traffic's 12 o'clock and 2 miles. We'll be southbound, altitude gauge 3,000, Twin Cessna.
68 Golf, make a right hand turn to the north. Look for traffic still.
1 Bravo Charlie has them in sight, no factor going around them now.
This is 1 Bravo Charlie, copy.
Well, 1 Bravo Charlie is 4 northwest for the right downwind 27.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, continue on the downwind, runway 27, you're clear to land, wind 1506.
27, clear to land, 1 Bravo Charlie. Alrighty. Well, I did such a terrible landing the other day that today was my hope for redemption day. So let's see how we do.
And Tower 1 Lima Romeo has the traffic, looks like just about to sail right downwind.
Tower 1 Lima Romeo, roger, runway 27, you're clear to land, number 2 behind that traffic,
You're
wind
down, 3 in the
1507.
green.
Clear to land, number 2.
So fuel pumps are on low, fuel's on the mains, we got gas,
Twin Cessna
undercarriage.
1 Bravo Charlie, 1 Cessna departure prior to your arrival.
1 BC. Fixtures and props are all set pretty good.
68 Golf, looking for frequency change. Tower 1 Lima Romeo, I'm sorry, I lost my traffic on final. Could you call my base?
1 Lima Romeo, you can turn base, your traffic's now on the runway.
Thank you.
That's not gonna work for us, guys. We're gonna do it that
1
again.
Bravo Charlie, exit left when able, then contact ground point 7. Have a great day.
Alright, 1 Bravo Charlie, we'll turn left on runway 15 and then contact ground point 7. And Tower, I don't know if it matters. I'm actually going to do that again, stay in the pattern. You want me to stay with you or go to ground for 1 Bravo Charlie?
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, you can remain with me. Take 15 Alpha to 27, you can cross 18.
15 Alpha, 27, cross 18, 1 Bravo Charlie, thank you. We cannot go out on a landing like that, y'all. And I have new brakes. I need to test them on the next one. I haven't actually really touched them yet. I think just the flight control rigging difference. I think they lubed up all the cables and the steering column. It's just everything feels so much touchier and
RV1 Lima
smoother.
Romeo available, exit left, taxiway Charlie, Alpha to parking, you can monitor ground point 7 on your way in. Thank you for your help today, have a happy Easter.
I know I haven't flown
And you,
in
off of Charlie, then the
3
Alpha,
months.
then ground, 1 Lima Romeo.
But I have a ton of time flying this exact airplane, and I know when I put the vortex generators on, it changed things, but then I got really used to that. I think she's just more slippery, and everything feels better, so I just have to get used to not manhandling it like I used to. A little more finesse. We shall see. And 1 Bravo Charlie, short of 27, ready to go. Gonna stay in the pattern until I get this right.
Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, left or right close traffic your discretion, runway 27, clear for takeoff, wind 1605.
27, clear for takeoff. We'll do left close, 1 Bravo Charlie. Till we get this right. Alrighty, throttle's coming up to 1700, mixture's going rich, release the brakes. And advancing with throttles. Making full power, fuel flows look good, airspeed's alive, 70, 80, 90, rotate. Tap the brakes, gear coming up.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, runway 27, clear to land, wind 1506.
27, clear to land, 1 BC. Alrighty. First notch of flaps coming in. Below 160, gear coming down. Three in the green. Fuel pumps are on low, fuel is still on the mains. We're good with mixture and prop setting. Alright, we're at 100.
Cessna 5 Sierra Papa, runway 27, cleared stop and go, wind 1505.
5 Sierra Pop, full stop.
That's much better.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, if able, exit left taxiway Charlie.
1 Bravo Charlie, left on Charlie.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, going back for another departure.
No, I think I actually managed to land that one decent that time, thanks.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, you can take Charlie Alpha to parking and monitor ground point 7 on your way in. It looked good to me.
Charlie off to parking, we'll monitor them on the way in. Thank you very much and happy Easter.
You too, thank you.
And tower from 1 Bravo Charlie. I was working on a alcohol ice system and it activated on the ground, but I couldn't get it in the air. Can I take back off one more time? I can circle around and land 9 or whatever you need.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, runway 27, clear for takeoff, wind 1605.
27, clear for takeoff, 1 Bravo Charlie, and then I'll just make one lap around the Delta and then call you on the left L1 for 9. That way I can have time to test out the system. Thank you.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, copy.
All right. Fuel pumps are on low. Fuel's on the main. Ram is set for takeoff.
Cessna 5 Sierra Papa, cross runway 15 at Alpha.
Cross at 15, 5 Sierra Pop.
Airspeed looks good, fuel flows look good, 70, 80, 90, rotate. Tap the brakes, gear coming up. I guess the alcohol windshield just, it maybe lost its prime or something, because now it's working. I don't know if you guys can see, but you flip the switch now and it starts pumping alcohol all over the window. So that is exactly what you want.
Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, if you could make a turn back to the west for me. I got a traffic departing runway 9, they're going to be southbound.
Yeah, no problem. I'll start a right turn just to stay out of his way. We're in the right turn now, back to the west. And then you turn off the alcohol, and then the isopropyl dries off. Of course, it kind of sucks because you have to clean the windows really good after that. Good to know that it's working now. That was the final thing. We got it all. I reckon we ought to go in and land.
You can start your tabs out there.
And 1 Bravo Charlie's ready to come back and land whenever.
Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, enter the right downwind, runway 9er.
1 Bravo Charlie, roger, and turn in downwind now, runway 9. One Bravo Charlie, be a slight long landing if that's okay.
1 Bravo Charlie, long landing is approved.
Thank you, sir.
And Aurora Tower, 284 Foxtrot here. We're the ones stuck on the Alpha. We definitely lost tire, unfortunately.
242 Foxtrot, copy. Stay put, do you need us to contact one of the FBOs for a tow?
Yes, affirmative. That'd be great.
Do you have a preference on which one?
Nope, whichever one you think is the best one, we'll trust you. We're new here.
We have no opinion on that, but we'll give them a call and see who can get you a tow.
All right, thank you.
Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, continue all the way down to the end, right at Alpha 1. You have a good day.
Alpha 1 to parking, 1 Bravo Charlie, we'll see you. Well guys, thanks for coming along for the short flight. It's always nice to do a post-maintenance flight where you're just testing all the systems. We kind of flew back the other day with John and I in formation, so I didn't really have a chance to provide a whole lot of attention to detail. And I like doing that in the local area where I know everything. So I was able to get that done and test everything out. Everything worked awesome. TAS did a perfect job on the plane. So stay tuned. Jamie and I heading to Sun and Fun down in Florida. See you guys later. Bye.
Well, I came back, just parked the plane, cleaned all the bugs off of it, cleaned the alcohol off the windshield, and now I know why when I was in cruise flight going fast, I didn't get the pumps to work. And then I came back, I was at a slower speed on the downwind and the pumps were working. The whole reason behind that, this is where the alcohol goes in twin Cessna. It goes in here, and I don't know if this will show or not, but when I shine a light down in there, the reservoir was almost empty. So that's why when they said they cleaned it all out and everything was working great, I'm up in the sky, I'm like, why isn't this working? Well, there was very low fluid in there. I didn't put much in there when I dropped it off. So I'm gonna dump this isopropyl. It's pretty much straight alcohol with no water in it, highly flammable stuff. So I'm gonna dump that in there, fill up the reservoir. So that's awesome that I saw that.